And so what we are proposing here, I think, with tempo is, the society today is so visual-centered, visual-oriented, but actually, let me tell you, our brain processes visions 20 to 100 times slower than we do sound. And that's because when the image hits our eyes, it goes through the prefrontal cortex, which is a part of our brain that deals with things like logic, reason, self-control, right? So it takes time, and it thinks about the image, but hearing the sound, as soon as it hits our eardrums, it takes much less time. That's because it skips the prefrontal cortex and goes to the most primitive part of our brain called amygdala that has to do with things like emotions and instincts. Sound is most closely tied to our survival mechanism, survival instincts, because it's the sense that's most likely to detect threats, right? Our vision can only see things that's right in front of us if nothing is blocking it, right? But sound penetrates most things, and it's a surround sound. We can hear anything. And we close our eyes. We can avert our eyes from things that we don't want to see, but our ears are open even when we're asleep. That's why we use alarm clocks, right? And that's why we jump when there's a sudden explosive sound without us really actually consciously thinking about what the sound source is. And so we're proposing that, we need a climate anthem that everybody can sing together. Everybody can synchronize their voices, their heartbeats, their breathing and brainwaves together to reassure us that, we do need to cohabitate, to cooperate, to commiserate, to face our challenges together. And we're also proposing to you, the scientists, that, you visualize your data so beautifully, but how about a sonification of your data?